Hello, Carol Rivet here. Just wanted to do a quick update on the Legacy Builder. I absolutely am amazed at this program. You're looking at the automation, how we automate our business. We send everyone that has or is seeking for more information right here, and then the automation takes over the videos. And there's a thank you page, a video page, there's a sales page with all the products on it that goes into description of what's in each product. So if you want more information, go down below this video. You earn 100% profits for these digital marketing products. There's 4 individual digital marketing products. They're e-learning. They teach you how to market online. They teach you how you can do this. You can get $900 payments. This was just 2 hours ago that I got this in, okay, into my Stripe notification. I am, as you can imagine, just so excited about this. It's, again, 100% profits you earn. There's 4 products, so there's 4 streams of income. You can come in at 100, 300, 600, or 900. Okay, you would earn 100% when anybody joins from any of those products. Okay, and if you upgrade within 30 days, if you come in at the lower, the Legacy is the most popular one. We've sold over 8.4 million last I heard. I'm sure it's much more than that now. $8.4 million worth of the Legacy Builder in like 75 days. So this teaches you how to market online. It teaches you how to market anything online. Okay? E-learning, as you go up each level, it opens up more training for you. It is what's the word I'm looking, interactive is the training. So it's 100% profits that you earn from all 4 platforms. It's not MLM. It's not affiliate marketing. When you buy, if you come in at the Legacy level of $900, you're actually buying that program. You're buying the resale right to resell it at $900 and sell it yourself. And then you can earn $900. Now, when you come in at the Legacy level, you also qualify to earn at the other levels too, of course. If you come in at, let's say, the Launchpad, which is a $100 level, you only will earn at that $100 level. If you come in at the $300 level, you'll earn at the 300 and the 100, but you won't earn from if somebody wants to come in at the higher level. If they want to come in at the higher level, they will need to look to somebody else, look for somebody else that is at the level they're looking for. If they want to come in at the Legacy, they're going to have to look and find somebody that's at the Legacy level. Okay, most everybody, what they're going to end up doing is going to YouTube and doing a search. Most everybody that's on YouTube is at the Legacy level. So don't get left behind, okay? But having said that, come in where you can afford, okay? This is an incredible program. It's not MLM. It's not affiliate marketing. You can learn to sell those. You can learn to market that. Once you learn this, it's a 2-hour workday blueprint that you go by. You stay consistent with that. You do your 2 hours of work every day. You be consistent with it. You plug in. You do the training. Let me just say, if you're in your comfort zone, then you are in the no-fly zone for commissions. You're in the no-fly zone for profits. If you're not feeling uncomfortable, if you're not doing any kind of training that's making you feel uncomfortable, that's pushing you out of your comfort zone, to getting you into new things that you haven't tried before, then you're in the no-fly zone. Your commissions are not going to fly. Your profits are not going to take off. Okay, you need to be learning and educating yourself at all times. And this whole platform is interactive and will teach you and continue to teach you. Okay, this is an ongoing process. It's ongoing learning. They have created, last I heard, I think it was close to 25 six-figure earners. And the lady that has set this up has only been doing it like for, 20 months now? Not even 2 years, I don't believe. So, again, it's 100% profits. It's not MLM, not affiliate marketing. And it's an e-learning sector. The e-learning sector is right now, it's not just right now, it's going to continue to grow and going to continue to be hot. We're right now spending $1.2 billion a day on the e-learning sector. This is just going to get bigger and bigger. This is what they call digital marketing. Okay, you have a digital product that you can resell, and the product here, the value of this is incredible. There is a community along with this that has over 25,000, I believe now, members in it that share their success. If they have any questions, they post any questions. Share your success. There's a lot of training in there, interactive training where you're asking questions. And then, so you may not even be able to get a chance to get into the training, but you're going to be able to watch the recording. And I watched her one day go to 1 o'clock in the morning answering questions. So chances are the question you were thinking was asked. Okay, and if it wasn't, get on one of the trainings where she's doing it and stay up, and she will answer every single question. She said this Tuesday is going to be one of those days where she's going to do a webinar and then answer every question. She will stay up until whatever it takes to make sure every question is answered. Okay, this is complete guide to marketing. Complete guide, taking you by the hand, step by step on how to market. And it starts with your automated system. It starts with building your email list. It starts with having it all pre-built for you. All you have to do is plug it in. It's like paint by numbers. This goes here, that goes there. And if you join with me, if you have any problems, I am here for questions. I am here to help. Okay? You can call me on the phone. I like that. You know, all I ask is that it's at a time when my granddaughter's not when I'm not having to watch her would be beneficial. Okay? That's why I'm doing this and why I went to this. I was spinning my wheels with network marketing. I was spinning my wheels with affiliate marketing and MLM. I was spinning my wheels and not getting any. The amount of work I was doing, where I was going, I wasn't going anywhere as fast. Okay? I was in the no-fly zone. I was comfortable with what I was doing. I needed to be pushed out of the no-fly zone, pushed into the where I'm out of my comfort zone, where I can actually am learning new things every day, and I'm so excited by it, and I'm so excited to be able to share this. So yes, so that was my latest payment, and there's a lot of people in this that are having success. That does not mean that it is oversaturated. I hear that from people. Is it oversaturated? There's 25,000 people in the community. You know how many millions of billions of people that are online and continuing to come online. This is digital marketing with e-learning. It is the best interactive e-learning platform I have found. You know, you can spend $100,000 sending your kid to college and they graduate college with nothing. They have a degree, but they can't get a freaking job. Really? You're going to complain about putting $900 into something that you can actually get a $900 profitable day from? Just plugging into the system, learning how to market? Come on, I'm almost 60. If I can do this, you can do this. Come on with me. Get out of the no-fly zone. And that's not no friend thing. No friends left behind it normally means. This is a no-fly zone. NFZ. This is get out of your comfort zone. Step into this learning platform and change your life. Okay? You can do this, but you got to get out of the comfort zone first. And this platform teaches you how to do this. It teaches you so that you're not chasing people. You don't talk to family and friends. It doesn't work anyways. You don't talk to family and friends. You post content. You post content that's going to draw your person, your people that you can help. And then they ask you for more information. You send them to your automations. If it's for them, if they relate, if they connect, the automations will do the rest for you. You don't have to do anything more. You can get on the phone with them if you want to. If you have any questions or if they struggle with something, I'm here. If you join me, I'm here to help. Now, if you do join me, there's 13 days worth of emails they give to our system. I have a total of 31 emails, and it grows every so often as I do up more emails, so I will send those to you. Okay, if you join me. So this is special. This is special. Okay. Message me if you have any questions. Comment below if you have any questions. I would love to do a video on whatever questions you have, okay? Get out of your comfort zone. You're never going to get anywheres. You're going to be on that hamster wheel. You're going to be spinning your wheels forever. Aren't you tired of going to work on Mondays? Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Are you ready for something more? Let's go. Click the link below and see. Just take a look. It doesn't cost you anything to look.